You can think of Bitcoin mining as the payment processing of the future. For example, Visa processes somewhere around 4,000 transactions a second and makes 10 cents off each transaction. As a Bitcoin miner, you can participate in the transaction processing network of the future and take your share and help enable the network's democracy.
Bitcoin is actually the best currency possible for maintaining a transparent and fraud-free market.
The idea that one person can send another person Bitcoin without a company in between is something that I think is really good for the world.
So Bitcoin mining is precisely running the network that verifies Bitcoin transactions. It's a competition to see who can collect the rewards first. And in order to keep Bitcoin mining democratic, it's important that people have access to high-performance Bitcoin mining systems.
Simon's early vision actually goes a ways back. It was 2 summers ago that he first was putting together a Bitcoin ASIC mining company.
Several years ago, he went out and tried to get funding for a similar project. It was just too early for investors to get into Bitcoin.
So at the start of 2013, one of the investors who had turned me down for money in 2011 sent me an email out of the blue, and it said, "Simon, I was wrong." And so together with Eduardo, we raised the initial capital needed to get the company off the ground.
It's a coming together of two experienced teams who've done successful companies in the past. There's Simon and myself, and there's also the Australian team. We call them the team of the century because between them they have about 100 years of ASIC experience.
I was extremely excited to join the team at HashFast because of Simon's dedication to making a superior product. This chip will revolutionize ASIC mining.
Our chip has roughly 1 billion transistors. To make a chip like this typically would be roughly 9 months. A real fast schedule would be 7 or 8. We did it in 2 months.
So this golden nonce chip is truly astoundingly fast. One of our chips has the hashing performance equivalent to 70,000 of the fastest Intel CPUs. In Bitcoin mining, time is everything.
The golden nonce chip was designed from the ground up to be overclocked, and we're really excited to see what our customers can do with it.
My wife and I have just had twin baby girls, so we thought it appropriate to name the boxes after the twins.
The Baby Jet is a desktop machine, like any gamer box, that you can have sitting on your desk.
And this ships with one golden nonce ASIC. For larger scale miners, we have the Sierra product.
The Sierra is a rack-mounted, more powerful server that has 3 of our golden nonce chips in it.
In the growth of Bitcoin, we are still at the super early stages. For example, if you say 1% of the global GDP, that would still allow for a growth of 1,000 or 10,000 times from where Bitcoin is today. There is a lot of room for it to get much bigger.
There is a huge electricity in the air regarding HashFast, regarding just Bitcoin as a whole right now. It is super exciting to be a part of it. We only get so many opportunities like this in a lifetime.